Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful tools in the Delaverse playground, the function call node. If you've ever wanted to make your AI workflows super smooth by automatically saving data or connecting different parts of your project, this is your new best friend. What makes the function call node so awesome? Imagine finishing up some AI-generated content and having it instantly saved to a Google Doc or Sheet without lifting a finger. That's exactly what this node does. It bridges your AI magic with real-world actions like storing reports, syncing data, or even triggering external tasks. It's all about making your workflows effortless, saving you time, and helping you focus on the creative stuff. Whether you're managing content or building reports, this node turns complex tasks into simple automations. How to get started? Accessing the function call node. Getting to the function call node is a breeze. Log into your Delaverse playground and head to the main canvas where you build your workflows. From the menu on the side, look for the Nodes section. It's like your toolbox of superpowers. Just search for function call node or drag it right onto your canvas. Give it a fun name like Save My Captions to keep things organized, and you're off to the races. Breaking down the key features. This node is packed with goodies to make your life easier. Here's the rundown in simple terms. Easy action execution. It handles writing or reading data, like popping info into a Google Sheet or pulling it from a doc. No more manual copying and pasting. Template magic. Choose from ready-made templates, such as Write to Google, to set things up in seconds. Just plug in the basics, like your file ID, and watch it work. AI-powered help. Feeling stuck? Hit Build with AI and describe what you need, like store my AI-generated captions in a sheet. The AI suggests the perfect setup for you. Smart connections. Link it to your AI assistant node for input and connect the output to where you want the results to land, like a Google Doc. It's like giving your workflow a direct highway. These pieces fit together to create seamless data flows that feel almost magical. Pro tips for power users. Want to level up? If your needs go beyond the basics, dive into custom functions where you can add your own logic or handle errors like a pro. Start with templates to get comfortable, then experiment with Build Smart parameters to auto-tune your settings. Always test with a bit of sample data first to ensure everything runs smoothly. And don't forget to update your AI instructions in the assistant node to include your new node's details. It ties everything together perfectly. Why you'll love it. Empower your workflows. With the function call node, you're not just building workflows. You're creating efficient, automated systems that save time and boost productivity. Track how your data moves effortlessly. Gain insights from seamless integrations and unlock endless possibilities in Delaverse. So head to your playground today, give it a try, and see how much smoother your projects can be. Let's automate the future together, Rocket. What will you build first? Share in the comments below.